The price of CFMOTO 675 NK is announced as 35,980 yuan. It is one of the 2 new motorcycles launched by CFMOTO this year. In terms of road holding, we still think that the street motorcycle is the best. The appearance style is similar to the 800 NK, but the body size is smaller and the volume is more compact. Without the racing style frame, the 675 street motorcycle has a naked feeling, and the exposed 3-cylinder engine also makes its appearance look powerful. Here is the unique power and beauty of the street motorcycle. In terms of functional configuration, the 675 NK is basically the same as the racing version. The vehicle is equipped with the same 5-inch TFT curved screen instrument as the 675 SR, which is rich in functions such as MotoPlay projection, tire pressure monitoring, OTA upgrade, vehicle network system. Of course, there is a single-way quickshifter, a full set of KYB shock absorbers, front and rear shock absorbers are adjustable, front fully adjustable, rear preload damping adjustable, front western opposed radial 4-piston brake calipers plus direct thrust upper pump. The front brake calipers also have cooling sleeves, and the dual-channel ASB and TCS functions are naturally not missing. The most important thing is that the CFMOTO 675 NK comes standard with an adjustable titanium ruler, steering damper. The 675 SR incident has caused a lot of controversy before, and Yuan has learned from its mistakes. This time, it has done its best in terms of configuration. However, unlike the 675 SR race motorcycle, the 675 NK street motorcycle has a tighter riding triangle, which is more suitable for daily commuting. In addition, the motorcycle will weigh a few kilograms less, and the road holding and power experience will be even better. In terms of power, the 675 NK is equipped with the same 674 cubic centimeters inline 3-cylinder water-cooled engine as the 675 SR, producing 70 kilowatts of maximum power and 70 Newton-meters of maximum torque, and has a strong power performance. With such a competitive price, excellent configuration and outstanding road holding, do you think the CFMOTO 675 NK can stir up the street motorcycle market?